Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to give you all the details on what's new at the North Las Vegas premium outlets inside the Disney store. So come along with us and let's see what new merch they have.
Oh, that's very sparkly.
They have this. I know, I've never seen this. I haven't seen this in the park or anywhere else. And I really like this. Let's see if it's priced. $70, so regular price, but that's super cute. They have the Stony Clover well, I guess it's just like really the bags, but they're 30% off. So let's see. So $72.98 plus an additional 30% off that. They have these super cute overalls. It's like an overall skirt, but I haven't seen this in the parks or anywhere else. Have you seen these?
No.
I'm trying to find a tag. These are 100. They have a Valentine's Day Spirit jersey that I've never seen. It's mini and the back is so pretty.
That is very pretty.
It's really cute. $90. They have another Lily Pulitzer shirt. These are $90. The back is plain, but the front's pretty. They have this really pretty Alice in Wonderland Spirit jersey. But wait for the back. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is.
That is pretty.
So maybe these are just new and we haven't seen them before.
It's
But
possible.
this is really pretty. Look at the bottom. All the beadwork in there. All the beadwork up here. This is $100. They have a little Tinkerbell, little wallet bag, like coin purse. But we haven't seen these in the park either. It's $17. They have some new mugs in the park.
I like that one for Jasmine. That's pretty.
The carpet. These are $25. And then they also have Cinderella. These are pretty. I haven't seen these. They have a little anxiety coin purse slash little keychain. These are on clearance for $10, and then you take an additional 30% off of that.
That's really cool.
That's
I like that
cute.
one a lot.
Nothing on the back. This one is not clearance price. This is $70. They have a Haunted Mansion lug.
It's cool.
This is $65. Oh no, it's $44, and then you take an additional 30% off that.
Ooh, the weird.
They have a bunch of these Disneyland Spirit jerseys that we have seen at other Disney outlets. So pretty. Ooh, they're $34 and an additional 30% off.
They have this really cool Black Spire Outpost Spirit jersey that I've never seen before, which is pretty neat. These are going to be $25. The back has the Astroback, and then it is the Black Spire Outpost, which is really neat.
So they have a bunch of ears here. I don't know if these are on sale. Let's pick one up and see. So $36. That's normal price, no?
Yeah.
So some of these are on sale. $24 for the seen these at other outlets before. So I feel like these have been out for a while, like at the outlets for a while.
So we have the T16 Skyhopper. This is on clearance.
$31.
This is $31 plus you take an additional 30% off.
There's no other pictures of it, just that one? Oh, I guess this one.
I did.
So they do have Halloween stuff here as well. This is not on sale yet, but I haven't seen this in the park. It's a little bag, like a little packable bag. That's really cute, and I haven't seen that in the park. These are pretty.
It is.
24.
It's like a more like, I guess.
They have Jessie and Dandelion here. Little Jessie on there. I feel like I've seen these at the World of Disney, no? I feel like
we
I
just
just
saw them
haven't paid
like
attention.
a week ago. All right, guys. So that's going to be it for the Disney outlet here at the Simon North Las Vegas Premium Outlets. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.